So we're gonna have a look at for loops, the last big operator that we're gonna be talking about in the coming few videos. So let's make a new file, for loops. We're gonna make a list, 1, 2, 3, 4, 9, 8, 7. We'll say for I in A, print I. And what you see, it goes over this. So I first gets the first value of the list, then a second value, third value, fourth value, fifth value, sixth value, seventh value. And then that's the value it takes, as you see here. One thing you can do with this, for instance, is you know, you can do calculations where you do the same calculation for each part of the list. For instance, you can get all the squares. Print I times I. Say you'd want to have a list of squares of this, you could say a squared is new list, and then you can say a squared dot append I times I. And if you then print a squared at the end, you'll get a list of all the squared values in the first list: 1, 4, 9, 16, 81, 64, and 49. Another thing you can do with this, which is kind of useful to know, is you can also say in range, like this: for I in range 10, print I. So this is going to go from 0 all the way up to and including 9. So it leaves out the last value here. As you can see, it goes 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now it's important to know that this has to be an integer value. If you put in a float like this, 5 dot, it's going to give you an error, and it says float object cannot be interpreted as integer. So all that means basically is make it into an integer and you'll be fine. There you go. So I hope you learned something, and I'll see you around next video.